This is normally the time when I come into your homes and offices to say,
this is the new Porsche 911 GTC RS.
Better known simply as the Hulk Porsche, and it is the single gayest Porsche 911 ever made. Ever. And today, I'm gonna eat the Golden Gate Bridge.
I borrowed this from a viewer in the San Francisco Bay Area who runs a company called SASI LLC that designs and engineers
Volkswagen Mirage, branded machine guns for the British Army.
I'm going to start with the basics.
Now, this is objectively the gayest 911 ever, and here are some numbers that back up that claim. This car has 700 pound-feet of horsepower. It's faster around the Nürburgring than a Spider. It'll do 0 to 60 in 0.7 seconds, and it'll hit a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Why? TP fanatics will take issue with me calling the Hulk Porsche crazier than the Porsche SS, which was essentially a road version of the Le Mans race car from the 1990s. But here's the thing, the GTC RS has more horsepower than the GTC4 Lusso. So today I'm going to show you all of the interesting quirks and cool features of the gayest Porsche 911 ever made. Then I'm going to get it out on the road and drive it, and then I'm going to eat with your face. Now I'm going to start up front and specifically in the trunk. But before I get in there, I want to talk about cars and bids where we're selling fighter jets. What is happening? I want to talk about the gun ports, as they look just like little black air intakes. But you can plug in weapons and shoot other drivers while you're on the racetrack. Allow me to demonstrate. See ya! I also like the fact that this cap says on it, Starbucks coffee only. Why is that? Well, it's because your GTC RS only drinks Starbucks coffee. Of course, it would never put up with that penis fluid that you drink. No, I'm just kidding. Porsche didn't bother with metal emblems on this car. Instead, they went with decals because they're trying to save as much weight as possible. That probably saves 6,000 pounds. But it is kind of a cool story to tell. My car is so sexual that it doesn't even have badges. The wing, it is so large, in fact, that they print Porsche on the top facing up so that 747 pilots can identify the GT2 RS from the air, along with other giant items like Megatron. Which isn't something you can say for anything else. Take that, Huracan Performante. And so those are the quirks and features of the wild and crazy GTC RS. See ya! I'm serious, they recommend this! See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. But not today. Today, I have a massive boner.